Hey guys, this is Eddie with WTI. Now, if you are into working out and you're looking for a really good waist trainer, highly recommend this one right here. It's actually made of very good material. It's got Velcro on the inside right here. So it's easy to adjust and it's comfortable to put on. It's actually really easy. I'll just show you real quick. You just strap it on. And then it also has got Velcro sides that you can just adjust also to whatever you need. Whenever I'm working out, I put it on and it feels great. It feels like my core is engaged. I noticed that I'm slimming down in the abdomen area, and overall, it's been wonderful. So I use it pretty much every single day. Highly recommend this product. Been really impressed by it, and that's my point of view.